If you are a WordPress user, chances are you have at least heard of Gutenberg Editor. The editor intends to make it easier for users to create rich content without coding. Although it has been met with some criticism, many WordPress users find it an improvement over the classic editor. If you are new to the Gutenberg WordPress editor, watch this video till the end as I will share a step-by-step tutorial on how to use blogs to add text, image, and other media to your post. Hey, I'm Esteban, the Marketing Tips channel creator. In this channel, I will share tips to help affiliate marketers establish online business, including site building and driving traffic to make sales. If this is something that interests you, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you anytime I post updates to this channel. Since I value your time, let us dive into today's topic. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on it, and go to post, click on post. You will have an option to add new, click this option, add new post. I've prepared some content in a Word document. So to add the title, I will go to my Word document. I will copy the title, copy on it, and paste the title where it says title. Now the next step is to add the blogs. To add, what I do is I will copy the paragraph that I want to paste, and then go to my WordPress. I have to click here where it says plus. I click there, I select paragraph, and then I pass the paragraph that I have copied from my Word document. Since I'm using grammar, it is suggesting to improve the phrase. What I will do is to select the phrase and pass it there. As you can see now, we don't have the option of having blog to add a blog. We have two possibilities. One is to go up here and click that plus sign, or we can click outside the blog. Now that we click it outside, we can see this plus sign signal here that you can click again and select new blog. In this case, the blog we selected is heading because we are going to add an head. In this specific case, we are going to add the head 2. We go to our content, we copy the head 2 that we have already prepared, and we bring it to the WordPress Gutenberg. We pass it here. Again, we have to click outside the area. We go again to the plus sign. We click on paragraph. We go to the content. We copy the paragraph, the entire section here with several paragraphs. And then we come back to the Gutenberg and we pass it there. So we click outside the block again and we click on plus sign. We go to our content. It seems that in this case we will need to add the heading block. So we select the heading just to make sure that we can add the heading we had there. This is still head 2. We copy the head 2 from our content as we did in our previous sections. We just copy it and we bring it to the WordPress Gutenberg. We paste it. So we click outside again and we click where it shows this plus sign. we select paragraph and we go to our content. We select the paragraph. In this case specific, we want to add a listing. I will show you in minutes. And then I click outside, I click plus sign, I go down and find this listing here. After selecting the list block, I go to my content and I want to try to select and paste, copy and paste all these content here to see if it will be automatically listed in that list block. And what I do is I select all this and then I copy it. I bring it to the block list block, and then I passed it. It seems that it was not automatically listed, so I will have to work again on it. What I do is to go here. You see this plus, just to add. If you want to add a new block, I click on list block again. I copy this send blue service provider and paste it in that list block. Then delete the copied line, the send the blue line, add the new block, new list block, click on list block, and then copy this one, copy the second line, paste it to the second list block, add again one list block. So I will be repeating this to the remaining service providers or list lines. This term is however. So I will, since I will be repeating, I will pause the video a while until I complete all the lists that I'm preparing in this post. Okay, after completing the list that I was putting together in this post, this section, now it's time to go ahead and start the new section with the head block. So I copy the head, I go to the block again, I click here where it says plus, and I go to heading. I passed, I select head 2, I pass the heading, and then I go again. After clicking outside, I go again to the plus sign, I click on paragraph, I go to my content, I copy all the content. It seems that for paragraphs there is no issues. I copy it and I go back to the WordPress site. I pass the entire section. So let me replace this word, as I don't want to add link. I just replace the word here to below. After that, I think the best thing to do is to save it. Let me save it and then start adding some images. And to add the image, I scroll down a bit to the place where I want to add the image. It is plus sign here. I put my cursor into the search bar and I write there image. So then I find this image block. There are different options. I can use media library or insert, but I prefer to upload from my computer. To do so, I just click upload, select the picture, click open. Yeah, after clicking open, what we have here up here is a list of options to edit the image. You can change the alignment, we can replace the image or the blog, we can move the blog down or up, we can realign it to left or side or right, and then we can also change filters and other options that include copy, duplicate, insert, and the other possibilities that we can use. Then we click on show more setting. On the right side, we have several options. We have blog, we have post, we have advanced. So when you click on advanced, you see that we have these different options for you to change the image the way you want it. That's it. So you can come back here and realign the image. Yeah, you can do several things. Add the caption, you can add the link, you can do several other things that I said before. You can replace the images. You can, by going here where it says show more settings and other options, you can even look the image or remove the image depending on what is your intention. As I said, when you click on show more options, on the right side you can add what is called the alt text. You can add the title, you can resize the image using this weight and height. You can use the percentage to resize the image. You have actually several options. You can also, as I said, add the title attribute and so on. There are number of options. You can even put a rounded image. You can change that image from rectangle to rounded. There are different options, some of options, several options you can use to change the image or to improve the image to the way you want it to be. And you can link this image to a specific post or specific product that you want. I was just adding the title attributes and I then save the draft. I have shown you the basic setting for the previous image. I'm going to add a new image here. I click plus sign image. I will upload it from the library. I upload the image and click open. So the image is here. It did not load completely yet. That's why it's not showing clearly. Let us see if we can align it to the center. You see, now it uploaded completely. So we go to align. We align it to the center. We click here. We are done with the alignment. After that, we go to, just to show you again those options or setting that you can make to your image. So I will click here where it says show more settings. I go to alt test. I passed alt test just for SEO purposes. I go down. I should find somewhere the title attributes. Yeah, and under advanced, we have title attributes. We passed the title attributes there. And I think we are done with the image at this point. What we can do is now to bold the lines here under our list. We start by bolding the sand blue, just bold it. We do it to convert kit. We do the same to Aweber. We go to get response, we bold it. Contact, constant contact, we bold it. We then go to mail mailer, right? I don't know the pronunciation. I will bold it. Omnisend, we bold it. HubSpot, we bold it. And then we go to Moonsend, we bold it. And the drip, we also bold the drip. On tripod, bold it. Yeah, we do it for all of the service providers under this list. After that, what the only thing that is missing here is just put some punctuation. To complete the process, I will go to save the draft. Then I save the draft. Now we have the second image added and some punctuations and other setting like bolding and so on already done. The next thing is just to show you how you can add the meta description. What I normally do is I go to my test up there. I find something that I consider interesting in the test, like this part of the test here, that I will copy it and pass it under meta description. Sometimes I can even take the title and edit it in the meta description section, but in this particular case I will copy this part here and take it to the meta description. Let me see if I can select the area that I want to copy. Right click here, and yeah, it's difficult to copy, but yeah, I think it's possible. Let me just insist on it. Try to find, to select the text that it is appropriate for copying and I mean for meta description. Now I copy it. I scroll down up to the meta description section. I passed it. I'm not doing this as SEO proposal, I mean demonstration. It's just for you to see where you can put the meta description. I passed it here, and then I edit a bit the text that I have copied in order to make sure that it responds to the meta description requirements, such as adding a good keyword and kind of call to action, so that it can, the reader can click on it when he sees the meta description, to invite him to click. Okay, let me try to reduce the number of words here under meta description. It seems that, yeah, now it's green. Let me click, let me save this draft. At this point I can save the draft. After saving the draft, the next step is to preview the post. Preview in a new tab. So let it wait it to load. Yeah, this is how the post shows in a new tab. And since it was only for demo purpose, I can go ahead and publish this. I think I'm happy. I can go to the WordPress and publish the post. Publishing, the next step is to review the post in a different browser. I then copy this link here, which is the post's link, post address. I open a new browser. I go there and pass the link to see how it shows in the new browser. So yeah, wait the internet for loading. Very weak. Yeah, this is how it shows in a new browser, and for me it seems that it's okay. I don't see many problems for a post that was designed just to show you how it is, how to add content to the Gutenberg. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.